Space relates to learners' spatial orientation, which in turn involves aspects such as direction, location, and position. Learners need to be aware of themselves in space. Learners need to know left from right. They need to be able to visualize and develop hand-eye coordination in order to hit a ball or catch a ball or even kick a ball. The position of objects, for example, up, down, on top, under, next to, need to be understood and practiced. This is important for the development of geometric skills in later years. Activities that can be included to exercise these modalities are jungle gym or obstacle courses as part of outside play. The teacher will create a course by using different apparatus such as trees, buckets, or hoops. Learners will be guided by prompts such as walk past the tree, around the chair, and jump into the circle or the hoop. Learners need to distinguish between a whole object and its parts. Draw the outline of the learner who is lying down. The learner must then complete the different body parts. Spatial awareness also relates to movement in space, such as following direction. An example could be that learners must describe how to find something in the classroom by giving directions to another learner. Important vocabulary in geometry include on top, under, in, out, into, top, bottom, next to, between, at the back of, behind, beside, up, down, backwards, around, forwards, to, from, towards, away from, across, near, far, or far from. How to describe 2D shapes and 3D objects and how they can be introduced to young learners. Shape refers to two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional objects or figures. In grade R, learners must be provided with ample activities to explore, construct, identify, and feel different shapes and objects. The learners experience intuitively the difference between three-dimensional objects long before they can really describe these differences. In grade R, it is expected of learners to identify the difference between balls and boxes, namely one can roll and the other not. They must also be able to describe, sort, and compare three-dimensional objects according to size, objects that roll and objects that slide. For these activities, it will be helpful to have a number of boxes and balls of different kinds and sizes available. Learners will sort these according to the two different categories. Let's watch this video.
Hello children, today we are going to learn rolling, sliding. Say with me, rolling, sliding. What this? This is a ball. It have a round surface. What surface? Round surface. And what's this book? This is flat surface. It is very flat. It is round, it is flat. Let's do one thing. Just we are going to make it in a slide. In the slide rolling. Rolling. Okay. Look at this book. This book is sliding. It can't roll. Okay. What it will do? It will slide. It is slide and it is rolling. Let's do with other objects. See this tomato, we have a round surface. What happened? Let's see. It's rolling. See, it's rolling. See this lemon also having round surface. This rolling. See this Sharpener, it have flat surface. It will slide. It will slide. What's this? Box, pencil box, it have flat surface. Kattaya irukka? It will slide. Slide like us. What's this book? This book has flat surface. It will slide. Can't roll. Again, ball is rolling. Book is sliding. Okay, that's all. Rolling and sliding. I will send you worksheet. You want to complete that. Bye.
Teachers can use the following media in the classroom for sorting and describing activities. Everyday objects such as matchboxes, toilet rolls, cereal boxes, dice, balls, or party hats will work. Learners must also recognize these shapes in pictures, namely cylinders, cones, spheres, or boxes. Learners must be introduced to the vocabulary, listen to the teacher's explanation while they handle and feel the objects. Learners can also construct different objects using concrete media such as boxes, Unifix cubes, and building blocks that could be from wood or plastic. Grade R learners should recognize and name squares, circles, and rectangles. Tangram pieces are useful for building different shapes. Let's watch this video.
Hi friends. That's a kite. That's a house. That's a rocket. That's a swan. Bye friends, see you soon.
Symmetry forms part of space and shape. Learners have a natural feeling for symmetry. Symmetry is all around us in nature, like leaves, flowers, or butterflies. Our bodies, or a few other things. Learners could use activities such as collecting leaves, making a paint blob on folded paper, fold paper in half and cut sections. When it is open, symmetrical shapes will be visible. Lines of symmetry can be identified by using a piece of string or a mirror. Let's watch the following video with regards to symmetry.